This is a simple tip to help you think about SEO in a way that can help guide your decisions. These days, there are hundreds of blogs and people giving SEO advice. And there's a lot of good advice out there, but it's easy to get caught up in the details and the checklists and forget the big picture, which I'll sum up like this. Google is trying to provide the best experience or result for searchers of a query. Sometimes the user thinks they know what they're looking for, but sometimes they don't. Think about it. For some searches, like queries about flight information, Google has a good idea of what a great user experience looks like. But since there are over 3 billion searches each day, for most of those queries, Google is still searching for what that best experience is. Which means the race is on to try and discover what that ideal result is for most niches. There are a lot of rules and best practices you need to follow in order to create a solid foundation for SEO. Make sure you know what those are. But don't get caught up checking boxes. Take the time to put yourself in your audience's shoes and consider what a great and satisfying experience would be. Use your SEO knowledge and strive to create something that could surpass your users and Google's expectations, and then build something better. Commit to your audience, make your SEO reflect that, and you may just leave your competitors in the dust. Remember, there are a lot of best practices in SEO and they're worth following, but focus on the user, and I believe that will steer you in the right direction. This is Sean from Nichehacks with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and we'll see you guys next week.
Hey guys, if you like that video, you might like this video right here, or this video right here. Check them out.